They're called nudges, and this is what they look like. It's either a notification to reply to an email, or a notification to follow up to an email you sent, and they show up in either your Google or your Gmail app on your device, or they show up in the web browser, and this is how you manage them. Go to settings, go to see all settings. Under see all settings, scroll about halfway down, and there it is right there, nudges. You can turn them on or turn them off right here, so that you get nudged to email or respond to an email you may have not responded to yet, or you get a nudge to send an email to someone who did not respond to your email yet. Nudges. Maybe they're useful, maybe they're not. Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail dude, I hope this is helpful for you.